what's up guys, this is Magic School and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the shake change. So a shake change, a color change, you would have watched a performance of it in my video which I put on I think 2 months ago. That was Magic School color changes. Its title was I did a lot of color changes. That was just performance, no tutorial for that. So I am here with the tutorial of one of the color changes that I did in that video, that is shake change. So it is a nice easy color change. You can do it as a trick. I always do it as a trick because normal color changes are like just the opener tricks which you can do anywhere, just the opener tricks, like you are doing if you're handling cards in the bar or anywhere you're doing, you can just do a color change to when the other people will see, they will think yes, he has got some skill. So if then you can do it as a trick if you are showing to a specific person. So you can do it as a trick. So enough talking guys, what I'm talking, let's get straight into the performance. First I'm going to show you the performance, then I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's get started with the performance. Okay guys, so this is the performance for the shake change. So what you're going to do is you can first of all let spectator pick a card. So let's say that they pick this one right over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my head, you're going to see what card it is. Okay, so hopefully you have seen the card. I don't know what it is, hopefully you have seen it. Okay, so I'm back and your card is gonna be here. Once again, see it, wait a minute. Okay, so hope you have seen it. I'm gonna put it right here. As you can see, let me square up the deck, hold the deck. Now what I'm gonna do is, you have seen your card, I'm gonna pick it up, just like that. I'm gonna put it somewhere inside, okay. So that's it, it's somewhere inside the center of the packet, I don't know where it is. Just gonna give it a one riffle shuffle, okay. And one dribble, and would you believe it? No, you won't believe it. I'm a magician, you're a spectator, you won't believe it. We just snap your card, whatever your card was, I don't know what it is, it jumps right to the top, the 6 of diamonds. Isn't that cool? What I did is I just put it, did a riffle shuffle, it comes back to the top. Isn't that cool? You can do it as a mission. Wait, what? This was not your card? This 6 of diamonds, man, it was not your card. No, you're lying, man, you're lying. I don't, no, wait. 6 of diamonds, okay, let me see. So it's shake change. Oh yeah, I'm showing shake change. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna shake the deck, and just like that, it comes back. I mean, it just comes. I don't know from where it comes, but it comes. You can see the 6 of diamonds. Where's the 6 of diamonds? What the hell? 6 of diamonds is also somewhere inside the center of the packet. I don't know where it is. So hope you like the trick. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, and bye bye. No, I need to show you the tutorial. Sorry guys. Enough talking. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the tutorial for it. And in this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna let the spectator pick a card from 52 cards deck. If you don't have 52, just a little bit, 50 cards, 48 cards, no problem. Just you need a deck, like not a single 2-3 cards packet. You can't do it with that. As a trick, I mean, you can do it as a color change with 2 cards only. But with the trick, you need, I mean, more than 10-15 cards. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a card. Let's say that they pick this one. I'm also going to see what it is. The 8 of spades, okay. So it is the 8 of spades, right like there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to do a Marlowe tilt. What Marlowe tilt is it looks like that you're putting somewhere inside the center the card, you're putting somewhere inside the center, but what you're putting is right from second, from top. Okay, so what you're going to do is, while they're looking at the card, you're going to push off the top card and catch a break. And not just a simple break like this. You need to, whenever you do a pinky break, you put your thumb right over here, but this time you need to not put your thumb, so that there gets a big break, very big break, but from the front nothing you can see. But when you do it like this, okay, like this, from here it looks that it is going somewhere inside the center. So what makes it more powerful, that you're gonna push some cards like this from the middle with the card's edge, so that the spectator thinks it is really going inside the center, but you're gonna push 2-3 cards and then come back and put it in the break. So you're gonna push 2-3 cards and then come back in the break, put it and square it up right like that. That way the spectator think that it's somewhere inside the center, but it's second from top. You know how? It's the Marlowe tilt. The power of Marlowe tilt, it is very good. You can follow it as a riffle shuffle, but controlling, but keeping the second card really there, the 8 of spades, okay. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do any magical gestures or straight going into that their card jumps to the top, but that is not their card is here. So they're gonna say no, it is not my card. Then what you're gonna do is, while they're saying, just do the same thing, do the get ready and push up the top card, get a break just like that, doing a wrist kill just like that. Then you're gonna pick it up, put it on top, grab, then you have grabbed the break. So you're gonna take up 2 cards, put the deck right here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it like this, but don't angle it like this, otherwise they will see. So angle it like this, just like that, okay, and bevel it to your side, not the ground side, to your side, as you can see, like this. Let me show you. So you're gonna bevel it like this, so that it will be easier for you to turn the card. Actually, you are turning the card. Let me tell you that you are turning the card with a shaky motion. So you're gonna hold it like this, in middle finger here, thumb here, so that you're gonna bevel it inside, so that you can flip it with the index finger. Now you're gonna do that with a shaky motion. If you're beginning this trick, then you can do it a little bit bigger, not like that. Not like that. That's very, very bad, and the spectator will think that you are doing something. It's kind of fishy. So don't do that. Try to practice it to do it in a smaller arc, not in a very big motion. But you can do it as fast. You can shake your hands fast, but don't do like this. Okay, don't make it very slow. But if you are very confident with it, you can practice it, and you can make it very, very good to look. What you're gonna do is you're gonna shake this. While shaking with the index finger, you're gonna turn and then shake it. So if the red card turns to black card, or the black card turns to red card, it looks very, very awesome. It looks very, very visual. Okay, just like that. So you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it like this while shaking. Don't do this like you flip the card. When you're shaking, you flip and you stop. Don't do that. What I do is I shake, flip, start to shake, and then end. Once again in the shaky motion, just like that. Don't just stop it wherever you flip. Shake a little bit, just a little bit more, and don't make it too obvious like that, as I told you in the previous video. I mean, just before this. Okay, then you're gonna do it like this, shake it, and then put what? Don't do that. Don't seriously, don't do that. Yes, and then you have shaked it like this. Then what you're gonna do? You're gonna put that card right here, because you know this another card is right here. So put that on the deck. Let them see that it is only one card, and while they're looking, do the Charlie cut every time. I do this every time. If the spectator want to see the top card or don't want to see the top card, just do this. Whatever happens, do this. I'm saying, because anytime, man, there are some times when you will do like this, then put it, and then because you'll think the spectator don't want to see the top card, you're gonna be like that. Then what if they say, show me the top card? What are you gonna do? You're not gonna do this in front of them. Okay, that's bad. You can either do a double lift to show them, but that's also a good idea, but not the best idea, I'm saying. So I'm saying every time do this. Whenever you show them, do a Charlie cut every time. If you don't know how to do a Charlie cut, just do like that. The spectator is not going to notice, because they're just bamboozled, like where the hell this card came from. Then you're gonna do an easy cut. Don't make it too like that, so that it will sound and they will know something is happening. So guys, I'm explaining a lot. This will make the video very, very longer. I don't know why I'm doing this, but this was it, man. This is it for this video. Hope you like it. Hope you like the trick. If you like it, then give the video a thumbs up. Very big blue thumbs up. Try it with the nose. Try to touch, if you're on the phone or iPad, try to touch the thumbs up with your nose. Let's see if that turns blue. You know, it turns blue. That's very amazing. Or if you're on a computer, click it. Just click it. Don't waste your time. Click it. Click on subscribe button. Click on the notification button. Click, and with your keyboard type a comment, your thoughts, that if you like this video, then you can also comment down below that if you liked it. It will be very, very pleasure for me to read that. And hope you like it. Yes, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any confusion, any thoughts, any trick to be revealed by me, then comment down below. And this was it for this video. I will meet you in my another video. Until then, this is Magic School, and you just saw Magic School, whatever. Bye bye.